ship shelled the Winter Palace? Aurora ship, it was the ship, big ship who was used at the battle at the when the war was between Russia and Japan. So this ship was taken over by the Bolshevik group, the military revolutionary group, and this surrounded the Winter Palace. Other ships also took the strategic points, means other ships were also surrounded all the government buildings, royal family members buildings and government offices, means surrounded, blocked, we can say here, all the ships along with Aurora ship, all they blocked those that area. And by the night the city had been taken over and ministers had surrendered. When when from all sides, the government buildings, officials, all they were surrounded, or surrounded by the military committee group. So finally all the ministers surrendered, उन्होंने समर्पण कर दिया. Then after the surrender of all the ministers, all Russian Congress of Soviets in Petrograd approved the Bolshevik action. There was a meeting where all the political parties met, and in which all Russian Congress of Soviets in Petrograd approved the Bolshevik action. Means whatever the revolution or whatever the action was taken by the Bolshevik group, that was approved with majority of the votes. Heavy fighting in Moscow along with Petrograd. There were at other places also there were the heavy fightings like Moscow. By December the Bolshevik controlled the Moscow and Petrograd area. Means finally by December the Bolsheviks were finally by December the Bolsheviks were able to control Moscow and Petrograd area, and this became the majority party of Russia. The people involved in this revolution, October revolution or the Bolshevik revolution, were Lenin, the Bolsheviks, troops, the Bolsheviks and troops pro-government supporters of government. Here you can see this is the Aurora ship. It surrounded, this ship was used to block the Winter Palace, the all building palace. And here you can see this is the Winter Palace. This was the residence of Tsar, where, and it was located in St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg is the old name of Petrograd, and after the revolution Petrograd again was renamed as St. Petersburg. Here you can see this, he is Lenin, Vladimir Lenin, who led the October Revolution, and this October Revolution is also known as the Bolshevik Revolution. And he is Minister Kerensky, who was the leader of Menshevik group, and at the time of Bolshevik Revolution he was the Prime Minister of Russia. Now children, these are the effects of the October Revolution. Means when the October Revolution took place, after that what new changes and reforms were made in Russia by the Bolshevik groups. So first of all, the Bolshevik, as already they were totally opposed to the private property. Since very starting they were opposing the maintenance of the private property. So they discarded this theory and declared all the property of the state. Then after most of the industries and banks were nationalized. Whatever the industries and banks were running in Russia at that time, all they were declared as a private state property and were nationalized in November 1917. Second, land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. All the cultivable land was declared as state property, and peasants were ordered to take over the land from the nobility. Use of old aristocratic titles were banned for the maintenance of equality and to make the Russia a complete socialist country. All the old titles which were given by the monarch or the pro-Tsar government, or all such titles were banned. In the same series, new uniforms were designed for the army and officials. New army means new uniform was designed for the army and officials, and there were the number of clothing competitions organized in Russia throughout the 1918. And this time a new type of cap was also